Adding images or logos to a map is relatively simple. Go across here to Images. Now we're shown this. We need to drop an image onto here, which can be a PNG, JPEG, WebP, up to 3 meg in size. So it can be quite big. So if we'll just pick this one, for instance, there we go, and it instantly appears. Drag it to where you want it to appear. This is just some random logo I found online. You can resize the box that it appears in, and if you want to move it around, the easiest way is using these tools here. So we might zoom it in, move it left, move it down. That's perfect. We'll change the frame color to something really obvious, like so. And then the frame thickness, we'll make it big and thick. There we go. Now we have an image. If we want to add another one, simply drop another. Now you can add up to 5 images. That handsome devil, that's me. So we'll make that a circle. We'll zoom me in and put me right in the middle. There we go. There, you would never know that I don't have any hair. Anyway, right, we'll put that down there and probably make it smaller. Now, what you might want to do, this kind of thing, is put logos for building logos, the company logo, logos associated with different territories you've colored in, whatever you want. And that is all done in here. And we can also remove them, so we can either show or hide them or remove them entirely. That is adding images.